So when we say superfood, any superfood is a food that has a lot of nutrients. So eggs have a lot of nutrients in them. And I'll show you in the next slide. Here's an introduction to eggs. Eggs are the foundation of life and therefore contain all nutrients to support life for a short period of time. Another way of looking at eggs is to view them as a seed. Sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, and pumpkin seeds all contain the full suite of nutrients required to produce a plant. Eggs are effectively the chicken's seed. So, as I go through this, there are different words that we will show. For example, foundation, a full suite, effectively. So, I'll go back here. See, foundation, effectively, full suite. All of these words, the hard words, I will explain later. So here, let's go through it slower. Eggs are the foundation of life and therefore contain all nutrients required, well, not required, nutrients to support life for a short period of time. Another way of looking at eggs is to view them as a seed. Sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, and pumpkin seeds all contain the full suite of nutrients required to produce a plant. Eggs are effectively the chicken's seed. So let's go to the first explanation. Foundation. The foundation, when you say the foundation of, you mean it's like the ground, the starting, or the support structure. So here is a block, and here is another block. Well, which block is a solid foundation? This one is a solid foundation. It's like, see, the ground, the starting, or the support structure. So if we were to build something on here, this one is a solid foundation, whereas this one is not a solid foundation. Again, we go back here. Where does it say foundation? Eggs are the foundation of life. Alright, so if eggs are the foundation of life, it means they are the starting of life. Here's a full suite. And a full suite means a number of things forming a set, or anything organized to work together. So for example, Jack McLeod is our new salesperson. With him on our team, we have a full suite of sales professionals. He's the piece that fits the puzzle. So here's a picture, the piece that fits the puzzle. And here you could say that each one of these makes a full suite of pieces. So it's a number of things forming a set and anything organized to work together. So we go back here. Where does it say a full suite? A full suite. See, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, and pumpkin seeds all contain the full suite of nutrients required to produce a plant. So it has all of the nutrients you need to make a plant. So that's a full suite. Effectively. Now this has two ways to use this. It means to be almost or to be useful. So for example, Janet Thompson is effectively, like almost, the manager at our new factory, even though she is only a supervisor. So this means almost. I could say that this man's suit effectively makes him an attractive person. It means that almost, or it does it by itself. So another way of using effectively is something that's very good or useful. So Janet is also a very effective leader. She effectively uses all office space. So here we have, she's an effective leader, and that means that she's a good leader or a useful leader. So to be useful. And then we say again, she effectively uses all office space. Well, that means she's very good at using all office space. She's very useful at using all office space. So here's Mr. Kim. Mr. Kim is an effective employee. He effectively runs the company by himself. So what that means is that he almost runs the company by himself. If you say he effectively runs the company by himself, it means he almost runs the company by himself. He almost doesn't need anyone else at the company. What's in an egg? Eggs contain 7 grams protein, generous amounts of selenium, biotin, and essential lipids, which are also known as fats. Eggs are criticized because of their high level of cholesterol. However, studies show no connection between eggs and disease. In fact, most people who consumed eggs while weight training showed increased muscle, decreased blood pressure, and improved energy. So eggs contain 7 grams of protein, generous amounts, which generous means a lot of selenium, biotin, and essential lipids, also called fats. So lipids means fats. Eggs are criticized. That means people say it's not good because of their high level of cholesterol. However, studies show no connection between eggs and disease. Connection means there's something related, so eggs cause disease. Eggs are related to disease. In fact, most people who consumed eggs while weight training means lifting weights in the gym to get exercise. Weight training showed increased muscle, decreased blood pressure, and improved energy. So actually I should read this. Egg protein is high quality. It helps build muscle. So if he's exercising and he eats eggs, the protein is high quality, so it helps build muscle. Let's go to the next slide. Generous. Generous means large, abundant, ample, which all means giving a lot. So there's just a lot. For example, here, you see all these? That's a lot. That's a generous amount. So I could say, oh, that's a generous offering if he's giving me these blocks. Another example is the restaurant gave me a generous serving of spaghetti. The restaurant gave me a generous serving of spaghetti. The generosity of the people helped thousands of ducks survive. The generosity of the people helped thousands of ducks survive. So if the restaurant gave me a generous serving of spaghetti, it means they gave me a lot of spaghetti. The generosity of the people, that means they're giving a lot. The generosity of the people helped thousands of ducks survive. So the people gave a lot to the ducks to help them survive. Okay, a high level. A high level. A lot or a large amount. So here it says the view offers a high level of beauty. So this guy is looking down at the view, and the view offers a high level of beauty. It offers a lot of beauty. The high level of rain caused flooding in the city. The high level of rain caused flooding in the city. So here you could say if it rained a lot and it caused a high level of flooding, or a high level of rain caused this river, that's okay. The arrival of Britney Spears caused a high level of excitement among her fans. The arrival of Britney Spears caused a high level of excitement among her fans. So if it's a high level of excitement, it means a lot of excitement. So her fans were very excited to see her. We can go back to this here. It should say a high level. See, high level of cholesterol. So eggs are criticized because of a lot of cholesterol. And the previous one was generous. See if I can find generous here. Yeah, I see eggs contain 7 grams protein, generous amounts of selenium. So generous means there's a lot, or eggs are giving you a lot of selenium. Generous was giving a lot, or large, abundant, ample.